The name of our project is Enhancing the Digital Creativity of Young People. And the activities were located in Pandivere region, which is in the northern part of Estonia. Our goals were to engage young people in the digital creativity, mainly in the form of filmmaking, so that by learning new skills of storytelling, of digital design and self-promotion, they were able to learn about their local heritage, about the coolest places of their home area, and make short films. So now we are able to share their unique point of view with the whole world. It's not quite common probably that young people get to say their opinion in the matters of community life so often. And our aim was to encourage them and to give them voice and to guide them and give them tools of audiovisual technology and digital knowledge, so that they can express themselves just as expressively as their peers who sometimes have advantage. Estonia in general is very digitally wise and developed country. For example, we have an e-voting system and many e-services available for everyone. So we only benefit from young people who sort of take it to another level in a very creative way. We were funded by the LEADER program, and that helped us a lot to make this project happen.